Imagine if you could see your ketones in real time, the way a CGM shows your blood sugar. That's the promise of the CKM, the continuous ketone monitor. Now, why would this be such a game changer? Well, ketones tell you a lot about what's happening in your metabolism. Are you fat adapted? Is your fasting actually working? Did this meal knock you out of ketosis? Or if you have seizures, you may need to keep a certain level of ketosis. But right now, the only way to check is through a blood stick or a breath test or the strips you urinate on. And let's be honest, finger sticks are painful, the strips you urinate on are messy, and most people stop doing them after a week or so. A CKM changes the game. Just like a CGM, it's a small sensor that sits on your skin and streams your ketone data all day long. That means you'd be able to watch how your body responds to food, exercise, fasting, and even stress. You'd actually see how a hard workout pushes ketones up and how hitting carbs can drop them fast. Now, why does this matter? Because ketones aren't just about weight loss. They fuel your brain, they improve your focus, and they support healing. I'm especially interested in them for brain health and skin repair after weight loss. And here's where it gets personal. I'm actually testing one right now. You can see it under my shirt. It has a pretty small profile. And I'll then be sharing exactly what I find. We'll talk about accuracy compared to the blood sticks and what the app shows and whether it's worth investing in. This isn't science fiction, it's already here. But like any new tech, we'll need to separate the hype from the real world usefulness. If you're curious about ketones in real time, drop a comment, I want CKM, and make sure you're subscribed because I will be sharing my personal results soon. This might be the next big biohack in metabolic health. And make sure you're watching for my next video, all the benefits from being in ketosis. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.